Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Rex Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Pronunciations of few English letters throughout my lessons. Small n is pronounced as N as in number, capital N is pronounced as N as in Ramayana, small l is pronounced as L as in lucky, capital L is pronounced as L. It's a unique character in Kannada. Small d is pronounced as D as in darshan. Capital D is pronounced as D as in dumb. Small t is pronounced as T as in tandoor. Capital T is pronounced as T as in tumbler. Let's learn to speak 50 Kannada words starting with the letter E and E in our today's video. Let's learn to speak Kannada words starting with the letter small e. E, T, iti. E, T, iti means thus or in this way. Itta, itta means this side. Ityadi, ityadi, ityadi means etc. Itige, itige, ittige means brick. Idiru, idiru means front. Next one. Iddakidante, iddakidante, iddakidante means all of a sudden. Iddilu, iddilu means charcoal. Innu, innu means yet or more. Ibbani, ibbani means dew or mist. Eerali, eerali, eerali means let it be or so. Next one. Irulu, irulu, irulu means night. Ilakhe, ilakhe, ilakhe means department. Ili, ili means rat or mouse. Ivaga, ivaga, ivaga means now. Illave, illave, illave means otherwise. Next one. Illi, illi means here, here. Ishta, ishta means liking, liking. Ishtu, ishtu means this much, this much. Ilike, ilike means reduction, reduction. Indu, indu means today, today. Next is impu, impu means melody or joy. Ingala, ingala, ingala means charcoal or carbon. Ingu, ingu means asafoetida. Inchara, inchara means melodious voice. Inchu patti, inchu patti means measuring tape, measuring tape. Next one. Indu, Indu means today. Today. Indriya. Indriya means organ of sense. Indhana. Indhana means fuel or ignition. Ikkattu. Ikkattu. Ikkattu means narrowness. Idu or ikku. Idu or ikku means keep. Ichha Shakti. Ichha Shakti means willpower. Ichisu. Ichisu. Ichisu means desire. Itihasakara. Itihasakara. Itihasakara means historian. Itihasa means history. Itihasakara means historian. Ittige. Ittige means big. Itihasa. Itihasa. Itihasa means history. Next one. Ittichina. Ittichina. Ittichina means recent. Ibbani. Ibbani means mist or dew. Immadi. Immadi means twice or double. Iru. Iru means stay or wait. Iruve. 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 Iruve means ant. Next. Irulu. Irulu. Irulu means night. Irulu kurudu. Irulu kurudu means night blindness. Kurudu means blindness. Ilakhe. Ilakhe means department. Ilakhe. Ilakhe means department. Ili. Ili means rat or mouse. Illi. Illi means here. Next. Ilakalu. Ilakalu. Ilakalu or Ilijaru. Ilijaru means slope. Ili. Ili means come down. Ilisu. Ilisu means unburden or take down. Ilihottu. Ilihottu. Ilihottu means dusk or evening. Istri. Istri means ironing. Now let's learn to speak 50 Kannada words starting with the letter E. As we have only few words with the letter E, I have made combined both the letters. Let's start. E. E means this. This. Ikshana. Ikshana. Ikshana means this moment. Ega. Ega. Ega means now. Ichalamara. Ichalamara means wild date tree. Iche. Iche. Iche means this side. Iti. E-T. E-T means javelin. E-Do. E-Do. Idu means match. E-The. E-The. E-The means this person. E-Ru-Li. E-Rulli. E-Rulli means onion. E-Li-Ge. E-Li-Ge. Ilige means cutter. Next. E-Ja-Du. E-Ja-Du. E-Ja-Du means swim. Idu. E-Do means equal or match. E-De-Ri-Ke. E-De-Ri-Ke. E-De-Ri-Ke means fulfillment. E-De-Ri-Su. E-De-Ri-Su. E-De-Ri-Su means grant or fulfill. E-Party. E-Party means this much. E-Varege. E-Varege means till now or so far. This is the last slide of today's session. E-Vag. 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 E-Vag means now. E-Shanya. E-Shanya. E-Shanya means northeast. Ishvara. Ishvara. Ishvara means Lord Shiva. This is the end of the today's session. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, Rex Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page, Kannada Kalike with Rekha, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rex Creations. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadagalu. Please like and share my channel. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Be safe and be healthy.